Hello, welcome students. I am Rekha Thorat, Associate Professor. Today we will see some next indeterminate forms 0 into infinity and infinity minus infinity. First consider indeterminate form 0 into infinity. If limit of fx as x tends to a equal to 0 and limit of fx as x tends to a equal to infinity, then limit of fx into gx as x tends to a takes the form 0 into infinity. We write fx into gx equal to fx upon 1 upon gx, which takes the form 0 upon 0. Now consider the indeterminate form infinity minus infinity. If limit of fx as x tends to a equal to infinity and limit of gx as x tends to a equal to infinity, then limit of fx minus gx as x tends to a equal takes the form infinity minus infinity. We can simplify the expression fx minus gx so that it can be reduced to the form 0 by 0 as shown below. Fx minus gx equal to fx minus gx upon 1 equal to, this can be written in the form as in bracket fx minus gx upon fx gx bracket complete upon in bracket 1 upon fx minus gx bracket complete. After simplifying, we get fx minus gx equal to 1 upon gx minus 1 upon fx bracket complete divided by in bracket 1 upon fx into gx, which takes the form 0 by 0. Since here limit of fx as infinity, limit of gx as infinity, 1 upon infinity 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, and here limit of fx is infinity, gx, limit of gx is infinity, infinity into infinity is infinity, and 1 upon infinity is 0. So that we get here 0 upon 0 form. Now consider the example of these indeterminate forms. First we consider the example of 0 into infinity form. Find limit x tends to 0 of x log of 10x. Let us consider the solution of this example. Let L equal to limit of x log of 10x as x tends to 0. Here x tends to 0, so that 0 and log of 10 of 0. 10 of 0 is infinity. So that we get form as 0 into infinity. Equal to limit x tends to 0. This can be written in the form as log of 10x upon 1 upon x. So that we get form as infinity into infinity. Here we reduce the form 0 into infinity by infinity. And we know that if the form is 0 upon 0 or infinity upon infinity, then by L'Hopital's rule, this is equal to limit x tends to 0, take derivative of numerator and derivative of denominator. Derivative of numerator is 1 upon tan x, derivative of tan x is 6 square x, and derivative of denominator, that is 1 upon x, is minus 1 upon x square. This is by L'Hopital's rule. This is equal to limit x tends to 0. After simplifying this, we get minus x square upon tan x into limit x tends to 0. Here limit x tends to 0 of minus x square upon tan x into limit x tends to 0 of 6 square x. This can be written as limit x tends to 0 minus x into limit x tends to 0 of 6 square x into limit x tends to 0 of x upon tan x. This is equal to 0, sec 0 is 1, and limit x tends to 0, x upon tan x is also 1, so that here we get limit L equal to 0. So that answer of given example is 0. Now we consider second example. Second example, find limit x tends to 1 of sec of pi upon 2x log of x. Let us consider the solution of this example. Let L equal to limit x tends to 1 sec of pi upon 2x into log of x, which is of the form x is 1, sec pi by 2 is 0 and log of 0 is infinity, so that here form is 0 into infinity form. This can be written in the form as this is equal to limit x tends to 1 log of x upon cos of pi upon 2x, which is of 0 by 0 form, since log of 1 is 0 and cos of pi by 2 is x tends to 1 is cos of pi by 2 is infinity. This is equal to limit x tends to 1, derivative of log of x is 1 upon x, and this can be simplified as derivative of cos is minus sin of pi upon 2x into minus pi upon 2x 4x square into 2, which is equal to limit x tends to 1 upon x divided by sin of pi upon 2x into pi upon 2x minus minus plus is equal to limit x tends to 1 2 upon pi into x upon sin of pi upon 2x. Hence L equal to again consider this L equal to given example limit x tends to 1 sec pi by 2 into log of x, which is of the form 0 into infinity. We put this form as limit x tends to 1 log of x divided by cos of sec means 1 upon cos of pi upon 2x, which takes the form as 0 by 0, since log of 1 is 0, cos pi by 2 is also 0. If the form is 0 by 0, then by L'Hopital's rule, this is equal to, take derivative of numerator and denominator. Derivative of numerator is 1 upon x and derivative of this cos of pi upon 2x is minus sin of pi upon 2x into derivative of pi upon 2x is minus pi upon 4x square into 2. And after simplifying this, we get limit x tends to 1 upon x divided by minus minus plus sin of pi upon 2x into pi upon 2x square, and this is equal to limit x tends to 1 2 upon pi into x upon sin of pi upon 2x, so that here we get L equal to 2 upon pi. Since here x tends to 1, sin pi by 2 is 1. 1 upon 1 is 1. So that we get here only 2 upon pi. Thus, final answer is L equal to 2 upon pi. Now we consider examples of the indeterminate form infinity by infinity. Example, find limit x tends to 2 of in bracket 1 upon x minus 2 minus 1 upon log of x minus 1. Let us consider the solution of this example. Let L equal to limit x tends to 2 in bracket 1 upon x minus 2 minus 1 upon log of x minus 1 bracket complete. As x tends to 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, 1 upon 0 is infinity Also 2 minus 1 is 1, log of 1 is 0, 1 upon 0 is infinity. So that we get here as infinity minus infinity form. This can be written as limit x tends to 2 log of x minus 1 minus x minus 2 upon x minus 2 into log of x minus 1. As x tends to 2 we get here 2 minus 1, 1 log of 1 is 0, here 2 minus 2 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, and 2 minus 2 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1 log of 1 is 0, 0 into 0 is 0. So that we get here 0 by 0 form. This is equal to limit x tends to 2, 1 upon x minus 1 minus derivative of x minus 2 is 1 upon x minus 2 into derivative of log of x minus 1 is 1 upon x minus 1 plus log of x minus 1 into derivative of x minus 2 is 1. After simplifying this we get 2 minus x upon limit x tends to 2, 2 minus x upon x minus 2 plus x minus 1 upon log of x minus 1, which is 2 minus 2 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1 log of 1 is 0, so that we get 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 by 0 form. Hence this is equal to limit x tends to 2, 0 by 0 form, so that we here use L'Hopital's rule, L'Hospital's rule, so that we take derivative of numerator and denominator. Derivative of numerator is minus 1 upon derivative of bracket is 1 plus x minus 1 as it is. Derivative of log of x minus 1 is 1 upon x minus 1. Derivative of bracket is 1 plus log of x minus 1. Derivative of x minus 1 is 1. So that here we get L equal to limit x tends to 2 minus 1 upon 2 plus log of x minus 1 equal to minus 1 upon 2 plus log of 1. And this is equal to minus 1 upon 2 plus 0. And finally we get L equal to minus half. This is the answer of given exam. Now consider another example. Find limit x tends to 0 of in bracket 1 a upon x minus cot of x upon a bracket complete. Let us consider the solution of this example. Let x upon a equal to y. As x tends to 0, y tends to 0, and a upon x equal to 1 upon y. Hence limit x tends to 0 of in bracket a upon x minus cot of x upon a bracket complete equal to limit y tends to 0 in bracket a upon x equal to 1 upon y minus cot of y, x upon a is y, bracket complete, and 1 upon 0 is infinity. Cot of y, cot of 0, tan of 0 is 0. So that cot of 0, 1 upon 0 is infinity, so that we get here infinity minus infinity form equal to limit y tends to 0 in bracket 1 upon y minus 1 upon cot y means 1 upon tan y, bracket complete. And after simplification we get this is equal to limit y tends to 0 tan y minus y upon y tan y. And this can be taken using limits rule. This is equal to limit y tends to, after simplifying we get limit y tends to 0 tan y minus y upon y tan y. And using rules of limits, this is equal to limit y tends to 0 tan y minus y upon y square minus into limit y tends to 0 y upon tan y. Here y square is taken, extra y is taken, so that this y cancels with this y. This is equal to limit y tends to 0 tan y minus y upon y square into 1. Limit y tends to 0 y upon tan y is 1. Is equal to limit y tends to 0 tan y minus y upon y square. As y tends to 0, tan 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 upon 0, that is 0 by 0 form. Hence we use here again L'Hopital's rule or L'Hospital's rule, which is equal to take derivative of numerator and denominator. This is equal to limit y tends to 0 to limit y tends to 0, derivative of 10y sec square y minus derivative of y is 1 and derivative of y square is 2y, which is also sec 0 is 0, sec 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, upon y tends to 0, 0 by 0 form. Again we get here 0 by 0 form, so that again we use L'Hospital's rule. This is equal to limit y tends to 0, take derivative of numerator 2 sec y, derivative of sec y is sec y tan y, so that we get in numerator as 2 sec square y tan y upon derivative of 2y is 2. And as y tends to 0, sec 0 is 1 and tan 0 is 0, 0 upon 2 we get 0 upon 2, hence finally limit L equal to 0. So that answer is 0. Thus you can solve any examples of these forms. Thank you.